Oh, fuck. Move this truck. Get the heck out of my vehicle. The hell? Why is he got in my car? Don't get in my car, you son of a bitch. What a... Can you just beat me? Thank you. Beat me. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, gummy, gummy. Let me just... Let me kick... Let me go to the dad camp. Okay. Hey! No, no. It's a truck. Hit this truck. Hit this truck. Oh. Okay. It's a truck. It's a truck. Oh, yeah, we are you bitches. Keep bigger, keep pull, kill cup, kill go. Oh, fuck. Alright, this is so bad. Okay, that's good. No, what you were talking about? You just are not a you was a good boy. But as well, I know because wait, look at the bro. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh. Wait. Mixed because I'm gonna know why you mean. Wait, look at that road. Wait, what do you mean? Look at the road. No. You're not getting any big bags. No. Why not that? Wait, look at the road. Oh my gosh, I'm just so late for job. I have to speed up this car. Oh, come back, Missy. Say you have a enemy there, cars. Vill la... Oh. Okay, also, shout out to Todd Chicken. Also, I give him my car. It's yours now. Alright, you wanna go ride it? Let's get let's go. Oh, that's a Todd Chicken. You on a video too? I don't. So shout out my friend Junior. And also, thanks for watching on this video. Bye.